The word love is strong for material possessions in general. When it comes to cars, it's about the journeys they bring, the friendships that they make, and the times we share. That's what I cherish. Probably like 5 years old, I really got to see like my uncle and my mother having like cool like old school muscle cars and stuff like that. So I thought that was cool, going out for like long rides and stuff. My first ever BMW was a 80s E30 325i. 3 Series are cool. I think that they're chill cars. It was a statement piece back in the day if you could afford that. This BMW is a 1995 318i little convertible, 4-banger, manual car. Would have been like a chill cruiser back in the day. I just bought it because it was like reminiscent to the 90s. E36s in general, I really like the overall shape of the cars. You gotta have a love for these cars because they are 20-year-old cars, so there's a give and take. You know what I mean? You gotta like the smell of them, the shape of them, how they move, like how they perform going around a corner. This car is not the fastest of them, but it gives you what it's got. I'm gonna actually just keep this one pretty much stock, like OEM plus, if you will. New headlights, new paint, redo the roof. I've got a couple sets of wheels for it, but I just want something that's like period correct. I think some like AC Schnitzers, keeping them really clean. The purpose of me building this car was just to build something that was just fun and that I could cruise around in the summer for and just enjoy. I didn't want to build something high horsepower or not. I just wanted to have like a nice little chill driving car. Me and the homies had a lot of good times in this car this summer. They took it out for a bunch, I took it out for a bunch. I'm looking forward to bringing it back to its original state. I don't get tied on cars like that. Like, I enjoy them, they're awesome. It's more about the journey. It's a journey about building them. It's a journey about like taking them out with your friends and creating moments. If you grow up in a suburb, then they're probably your wings to doing a lot of other things. If you grow up in the city, then it's probably your wings to getting out of chaos for a minute. That's what makes these cars special. To take out an old school 90s car from back in the day and listen to the exhaust note on something that's just totally different than what would have been today, or just banging through gears through hillsides. Those are the moments that you cherish when it comes to cars. That's why I like to teach my friends how to drive manual. They're gonna burn up the clutch and go through all the gears. That's totally fine by me. I don't care. You know, we'll make more money, we'll get more cars, but like them learning that at the moment is a memorable moment.